Ladybugs, also known as ladybirds or lady beetles, are small, round beetles recognized for their bright colors and spots. Found worldwide, these beneficial insects thrive in gardens, forests, and fields. Predominantly red or yellow with black spots, ladybugs are vital for pest control, feeding on aphids and other harmful insects. Their life cycle includes egg, larva, pupa, and adult stages, with larvae also being effective predators. Ladybugs hibernate in groups during winter and emit a foul-tasting fluid to deter predators. Celebrated for their ecological importance and often considered symbols of good luck. Ladybugs are essential allies in maintaining healthy ecosystems. There are over 5,000 species of ladybugs coccineidae worldwide, each with distinct characteristics. Here are some notable types. 7-spotted ladybug to spotted Asian lady beetle convergent ladybug 20-spotted, lady beetle transverse, ladybug pink spotted ladybug-eyed ladybug. Each type of ladybug contributes uniquely to its ecosystem, primarily through pest control, making them invaluable in agriculture and gardening. Ladybugs, also known as ladybirds or lady beetles, exhibit several distinct features that make them easily recognizable and fascinating insects. Here are the key features of ladybugs. Physical characteristics. 1. Body shape. Ladybugs have a dome-shaped, almost hemispherical body. Their bodies are typically small, ranging from 1 to 10 mm in length. Color and patterns. They are known for their bright, vibrant colors, which can include red, yellow, orange, and black. Many species have distinctive spots or markings, though the number and arrangement of these spots can vary widely. Head and antennae. Ladybugs have a small head relative to their body size. They possess short, clubbed antennae used for sensing their environment. Legs. They have 6 short legs, which allow for quick movement. Wings. Ladybugs have 2 pairs of wings, the hard, protective outer wings elytra, and the delicate, membranous inner wings used for flight. The elytra are brightly colored and marked, providing protection and signaling to predators. Life cycle. 1. Eggs. Females lay clusters of yellow or orange eggs on the underside of leaves. 2. Larvae. The larvae are elongated, often black or grey with bright spots or stripes. They are active predators, consuming large numbers of pests. 3. Pupa. After several weeks, the larvae pupate, forming a transitional stage before emerging as adults. 4. Adults. Adult ladybugs are typically the most recognizable stage, known for their vibrant coloration and spots. Behavior. 1. Feeding. Most ladybugs are predatory, primarily feeding on aphids, scale insects, and other plant pests. Some species, like the 20-spotted ladybug, feed on mildew and fungi. 2. Defense mechanisms. When threatened, ladybugs can secrete a yellow, foul-tasting fluid from their leg joints, reflex bleeding to deter predators. Their bright colors serve as a warning to potential predators about their unpalatability. 3. Hibernation. Many ladybug species hibernate in large groups during the winter months, often in sheltered locations like under leaves or inside buildings. Ecological role. Ladybugs play a crucial role in controlling pest populations, making them valuable allies in agriculture and gardening. While primarily predators, some ladybug species also contribute to pollination by feeding on pollen and nectar. Cultural significance. Ladybugs are often considered symbols of good luck and protection in various cultures. They are commonly associated with positive attributes and are popular in children's stories and toys. These features make ladybugs not only important ecological agents, but also beloved insects in human culture. Setting up the environment. 1. Habitat. Use a ventilated container or a small enclosure with a secure lid. Provide branches, leaves, and some soil or paper towels to mimic a natural environment. 2. Temperature and humidity. Maintain a temperature range of 65–75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18–24 degrees Celsius. Keep the humidity moderate. Mist the enclosure lightly to maintain moisture without making it too wet. Mating. 1. Pairing. Introduce a few male and female ladybugs into the enclosure. Males are typically smaller and more active, while females are larger. Ensure there are enough aphids to stimulate breeding behavior. 2. Observation. Mating usually occurs in the spring or summer. Observe the ladybugs to see if mating occurs, which involves the male mounting the female. Egg laying. 1. Egg deposition. After mating, females will lay clusters of yellow or orange eggs on the underside of leaves or on the walls of the enclosure. Each cluster can contain a few dozen eggs. 2. Incubation. Eggs will hatch in about 3 to 5 days, depending on the temperature and humidity. Rearing larvae. 1. Feeding larvae. The newly hatched larvae are voracious and need a constant supply of aphids or other prey. Make sure to check and replenish their food daily to ensure they have enough to eat. 2. Growth stages. Larvae will go through several molts as they grow, each time shedding their exoskeleton. After a few weeks, larvae will attach to a surface and pupate, transforming into pupae. Releasing or continuing the cycle. 1. Release. Once the ladybugs have matured, you can release them into your garden to help with pest control. 2. Continuing the cycle. If you wish to continue breeding, keep some adults in the enclosure and provide a fresh supply of aphids and suitable conditions for further breeding cycles. Tips for success. Avoid pesticides. Ensure no pesticides are used on the plants where you collect aphids or keep ladybugs, as they can harm the ladybugs. Monitor conditions. Regularly check the temperature, humidity, and food supply to keep the ladybugs healthy. Prevent overcrowding. If the enclosure becomes too crowded, separate some individuals into another habitat to reduce stress and competition. Breeding ladybugs can be a rewarding way to naturally control pests in your garden and observe the fascinating life cycle of these beneficial insects. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, share and press the bell icon to get an informative videos. Thanks for watching.